windmill. It's really good for your obliques, hip stability, hip flexibility, shoulder stability, shoulder flexibility. You want to concentrate on moving at your hip and not your low back. I'll demo the exercise first. Excellent for shoulder stability, working your obliques, hip flexibility, working on your hips and hamstring stretch also. You want to snatch the weight above your head, turn your feet 45 degrees away from the bell, away from the hand that's working. Get up, turn your feet 45 degrees. You're going to hinge back, 80% of the weight on the back hip, 20% on the front. You're going to look up at the weight, and then hinge back up. When you're coming back up, you want to squeeze your glutes, pull your hips back forward, and you want to end all the way up. Finish with your hips. So when you squeeze your glutes, you want to come all the way up. Don't come halfway or partial way up and then go right back down. You want to come all the way up and then back down to the windmill. Demo it again. Turn to the side. See the side view? So your feet are going to go 45 degrees at an angle. All your weight towards the back. Look up at the weight. And actually, I can't see because the sun is in my eyes. If you're working outside, turn so you can see. Up. Turn your feet 45 degrees. Look up, baby hip, hinge at your hip, 80% of the weight on the back, 20 on the front. You want to concentrate most of your weight back here. I just think about pushing all my weight in the back. Hand down the front, hinge at your hip, and then back up. Always hinge at this front hip, and then squeeze your glutes in the back to come back up. And then back up. Come back down, park the bell, kettlebell windmill.